Yes.
it will look as if maybe these people are old school. But look at their lifestyle. They live more,
They live strong and
very
long.
strong in their, even in their old age.
They look
Yes.
long.
So viewers, to not to make this video to be so long, this is the reason, few reasons why we eat pepper. This is pepper. Though we added some tomato to this. Yes. So there's a lot of pepper there. We are preparing food, okay? So you see the food we are preparing. So this is why we eat pepper. And pepper, so many, make your research. There's so many reasons why to eat pepper.
Cayenne pepper is good.
That is why God,
Scotch bonnet is good.
that is why God provided. You see, God, one reason I love God, God doesn't do one thing. We have cayenne pepper, we have Scotch bonnet pepper, we have habanero pepper, a lot of pepper, you know, Negro pepper, alligator pepper. So it's a sign to tell you that pepper is good for the body. And when you eat food with, you know, sound pepper, you'll be very, very strong.
Yes.
So
tell us what you think about this
video,
okay? This is nice for us. Hello, beautiful people.
Hello.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your subscribing. Thank you very much. And in this video, we want to tell you how we eat.
Yeah, beautiful people. You can observe in our videos, many people, due to some comments,
yes,
some will say, the pepper is too much, the chili is too much.
Yes.
Actually, what you are seeing here, this is pepper.
This is pepper.
This is pepper. Then the purpose of this video is to explain why we eat pepper. We love pepper and we eat pepper. Because it's not as if the pepper is too much. Like if you observe our videos, we don't eat and we eat just as if it's normal.
Yes.
So there's a reason for that. So on our left here, these are
the
medicinal herbs. Medicinal herbs we use for brushing.
We use it for our brushing.
These days we are used to so many mouthwash, you know, toothpaste. I don't want to mention names.
We are using traditional herbs, okay? So that is why we eat pepper, because before we are using the one where they sell in the market. So I noticed that I use the thing used for my mouth. I use it to brush my teeth. I see that my lips,
the gums,
I can't eat small pepper. If you touch my mouth, I will be.
If you use
I stopped to use use that product, okay? So that
we
is
even
why
bought different ones.
Yes.
Actually, the reason why many people don't eat pepper is because they use the regular system to wash their mouth. When you use those regular method to wash your mouth, you will always complain. Will always complain. And we have used different products and we realize most of them, if you read the label, you will see there are a lot of chemicals, poison, which are not meant to go into our mouth, as in to. That's why they say if you mistakenly wash, maybe swallow it. Like for kids, they advise that parents should not, kids should not, to use it, because they can easily swallow it, and when they swallow it, it goes into their bloodstream, which will be causing a lot of havoc in their system. Even the taste of food will not be normal.
Yes.
So even when you use a single pepper to cook, it will look as if it's still pepperish.
Yes.
Your food is still pepperish, not just in the aspect of pepper. In terms of cold, maybe you are taking anything like ice cream, ice, anything hot, the throat, the esophagus, it will look as if the gum, they are bleeding.
Yes.
They won't be normal. So let me show the viewers what we have here.
So for our next video, last video,
yes, we did a video for how we use our natural method yes, to brush our mouth. When you use the natural method to brush your mouth, you will not have issues with pepper.
Yes.
Because a lot of things are chemically, blended into our lifestyles, which people need to, you need to be natural to enjoy. Because when you are used to chemicals, a lot of things will not be normal anymore. Let me show them what we have. So
pepper is very good. It has folic acid, calcium, iron for pepper.
So viewers, as you could see, this is our pepper which we blended.
Yes.
We want to use it to prepare soup.
For our next video,
yes,
go and watch it.
This is cashew leaf. We've done a video how we use cashew leaf. Yes. We only showed one method. There are other methods. Aloe vera juice. You can use it to brush your mouth. It's very foamy.
Yes.
This is hospital too far, known as Jatropha jorensis. It is good for brushing of mouth. These are natural method, and this is bitter leaf. We've showed this in one of our videos, where we use it to brush. Right. So these are just few of the natural method. Yes. They are so numerous. Can use
charcoal.
Yes, there's also charcoal.
Yes.
Then there's this with charcoal dust, as in it's not sawdust anyway. You understand? So these are the natural method. When you use it to brush your mouth,
yes,
you will not have issues.
You will not have that you eat pepper.
Yes, you will not have issues with pepper, because pepper is very, very good for the body.
This pepper, I want to pour it inside meat that I want to use, because every day the pepper will be going down. Because if you don't eat pepper, it will look as if
you want to vomit.
Yes, you will be.
Yeah, pepper is very good for the body.
Yes,
make your research and drop in the comment section if pepper is not good for the body.
Go and get
the only bad thing that pepper has so much sugar.
Yes.
Pepper is not bittering. It's not bitter. This is bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. But when you taste pepper, you will see that pepper is sweet.
Yes.
You understand? That is the only side effect of pepper. Pepper has a lot of sugar, but everything aside of pepper is good. When you talk of fiber, it has folic acid, a lot of nutrients is in pepper.
Calcium, iron.
And when you prepare your food and there's not enough pepper, it will look as if you want to vomit. And when you eat pepper, very well,
your body,
see like your throat, all those like maybe catarrh. Even when you have cold, pepper will chase them all. Catarrh, your catarrh will melt.
That is why they
when you eat pepper, you understand, you have like runny nose. It's melting a lot of things out. Pepper, when you eat pepper very well in your meal, you will see you'll be strong naturally. Because it is natural. You understand? So this is why we eat pepper. And it's not as if the same method we use, our kids too use it. So it's not as if we are using natural method, they are using the other method. No, we use the same method. So it's they don't have issues with pepper.
Before Manuela, they use that.
Yes, when we were
that product.
Yes, so when we were using the other method, she can't eat. Because a lot of like gum issues, pepper, of a thing. Even I myself as an adult, I realized that small amount of pepper, is still pepperish. And, it will look as if your esophagus is burning, like it's it has a lot of, you can't brush your teeth very
well. Yes.
But so with this, when you use natural
brush my teeth very well, my tongue.
When you use natural method like cashew leaf, make your research. You see, in countries like India and Peru, they use cashew leaf
to brush their mouth.
in the olden days, like our ancestors, they use chewy sticks.
They use cashew. Cashew stick.
Yes, this cashew leaf. The stick is what they use for chewing stick.
And guava leaf.
Yes, guava. Yes.
Stick.
I didn't have guava to eat.
We have guava stick.
We have guava. Yeah. Let me even plug that guava leaf. I'm coming.
We use it for our mouth. So it's very good. Pepper is very good for our system. Okay.
Viewers, as you could see, this is guava.
Yes.
This is to tell you that we have most of all these natural products.
Yes.
Yeah. This guava stick is also good. It's one of the natural method. When you peel it off and you use it, you chew it.
Like wash your mouth.
These days things are changing.
Yes.
Many people, they want to live more like a classic life, but it's most of all this classic life that is causing one or two havoc. That is where the problem.
Cancer
yes, you understand? Because most of all this, if you are used to chemical, you will not know where your problem is coming from. You understand? So when you are used to natural method, you will not have issues. In the olden days, our ancestors, they used a lot of like chewing stick,
Yes.
It will look as if maybe these people are old school. But look at their lifestyle. They live more.
They live strong and
very long. Strong even in their old age. Yes. Long. So viewers, not to make this video to be so long, this is the reason, few reasons why we eat pepper. This is pepper. Though we added some tomato to this. Yes. So there's a lot of pepper there. We are preparing food, okay? So you see the food we are preparing. So this is why we eat pepper. And pepper, make your research. There's so many reasons why to eat pepper.
Cayenne pepper is good.
That is why
Scotch bonnet is good.
That is why God provided. You see, one reason I love God. God doesn't do one thing. We have cayenne pepper, we have Scotch bonnet pepper, we have habanero pepper, a lot of pepper, Negro pepper, alligator pepper. So it's a sign to tell you that pepper is good for the body. And when you eat food with, sound pepper, you'll be very, very strong.
Yes.
So
tell us what you think about this
video,
okay? This is nice for us. This is
bitter leaf, hospital tufa, aloe vera, guava, and cashew leaves. These are just few. There are so many methods you can use. If you
get one of these leaf, use it, try it for 1 week.
We have a video. We've done a video regarding how we use natural method.
Yes.
I'll drop the link on the video description of this video.
Use it fresh.
So go and watch the video to see when you adapt to natural method.
Yes.
There's a lot of complaint. You stop. You even forget that such things happen.
Yes.
So viewers, please, I hope you understand now why we eat pepper. We don't have issues eating pepper. If we have issues eating pepper, we will not be using so much pepper.
Pawpaw, or ripe pawpaw, if you eat it, the pawpaw will reduce your body system.
Yes.
Okay, and it will make you hungry.
Yes.
For those who it will make you hungry.
For those who want to lose weight.
Yes.
Please.
And it's good for colon cancer.
Yes.
Colon.
For those who want to lose weight.
It's good though.
If you watch some of our old videos, you can see our weight system. If for those who want to lose weight, please.
For my old video, go and watch how I did.
Please, viewers, please, for those who want to
who have issues
with
carry
their
my
weight.
body any
For those who have issues with their weight,
yes,
please try as much as possible. As I have heard, try as much as possible. Try and use every means you have to plant pawpaw in your compound, in anywhere you, maybe in your house, in your vicinity.
Yes,
just try. Everything about pawpaw is so medicinal. The leaf, please don't joke with it. Eating unripe pawpaw,
you will sleep well.
All this constipation, digestive issues is a thing of the past. In fact, when you eat more of pawpaw, you will see it's like pawpaw. After eating, it will look as if you have eaten, but there's nothing in your stomach because it hates digestion.
But you take your mind that you are hungry.
Yes, it will really make you, please, viewers, that is another topic for another day. Let's, we are here for pepper, okay? Subscribe. Watch our other videos, okay? Our natural method for mouthwash, okay? Thank you very much. Subscribe.
God bless you. Bye.